creamy pasta with chicken and smoked ham, dinner will be done in no time. Oh, hi my lovelies, how are you today? If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen. As most of you know, I love to teach cooking classes. So if you have any questions throughout this video, just pop it in the comments and I'll come back and respond to it. Or just say hi, where are you from? I'd love to hear from you. So what are we making today? We are making casserole. So I have cooked my pasta, and then I also have a smoky ham and a little bit of chicken that I cooked earlier, and then we're gonna saute our garlic and onions. You know, I'm about sauteing garlic and onions. This aromatics really give that big bold flavor to your dish. And I also have some mushrooms, and then we're gonna put that together. And because this is casserole, of course we have cheese. You know, we're gonna make that cream that we're gonna add to the casserole. It's gonna be yummy. So let's go ahead and start our casserole. I use olive oil and about a tablespoon of butter to saute my onion and garlic. Then add the mushrooms and saute until tender. For dried herbs and spices, there's garlic powder, thyme, smoked paprika, and Italian seasoning. Then add the chicken and smoked ham. Okay, so now we're going to mix the pasta and that ham and chicken mixture that we just sauteed in garlic and onions. So we're gonna combine that into this is a 9 by 13 baking dish. So here I have this. These are like macaroni pasta, the bigger ones I got. And then I'm just gonna spread it out here and make sure that you're preheating your oven to 400 degrees, okay? And then we're gonna mix it with all that goodness. The chicken is already cooked and the smoked ham is already cooked. So we just kind of stir it into that sauteed garlic, onions, and mushrooms, and then we just kind of stir everything until well heated. And then now we're gonna mix everything with the pasta. Okay, so I'm kind of making a mess here and just spilling everything. Okay, so now the cream part. So let's go ahead and make the cream part. In a bowl, combine cheddar cheese, Parmesan, ricotta, and sour cream. Then I added a cream. This is heavy cream, but you can also use whole milk. Then mix everything until well combined. Okay, so now we're ready to mix in our cream. This is the one with cheese, with kind of different kinds of cheese. We have the cheddar cheese, we have the Parmesan, and we have the ricotta. So we mix in all of that with cream. You can use whole milk too. And then we reserve some of the Parmesan cheese and the cheddar cheese so we can put it on top. So we're gonna pour everything into the pasta and just make sure that you mix them well, okay? And then we're just gonna sprinkle the reserved cheddar cheese and Parmesan on top. And then after it bakes, we're gonna sprinkle some parsley, you know, so we have that little green stuff, you know, with our casserole. So, and then we're just gonna bake it until the cheese melt, or for about maybe 10 minutes, okay? So we're just gonna mix everything and bake it. All right, my lovelies, time to taste test. All right, so we're gonna get all the cheese. It's really creamy, but I bet it's great. Okay, so let's go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna get some of the smoky ham and also the chicken. Okay, so here you go. The blend of cheeses, like the cheddar cheese, is perfect with Parmesan. It's creamy, it's smoky because we add that smoked paprika and smoky ham, and then the chicken. All together, just really wonderful flavors. So my lovelies, I hope you try this. Let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And all my recipes, you can find it on my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Remember, comments below if you have any questions, or just say hi. I love to hear from you. All right, until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.